So hey, my glammies. So this is my Glam Squad kit. This is for beginners who want to start their makeup journey, or you just want to have it in your routine. Glam, I got a lot of goodies up in here for you guys. So my grandson, Delilah, just gonna open up and let y'all know what y'all got inside. But check in this bag. Check this bag. Isn't it cute? Yes, it is. So go ahead, Delilah, open up the bag. All right. So of course we have our where we put our brushes at right here. I end up putting a mask applicator in there, a brush for your nails in there. You got your eyelash curlers. You got your mask, cool or hot. You got your makeup remover. You have a little gift from me to straighten your nails. You have your Q-tips. You have your hard sponges. Isn't it cute? You have your other sponges in the bag if you want to travel. And this is a good traveling bag. You have your mirror. Look at this mirror. It is so pretty. Cut it on. That's the bright light. And then when you hit it again, that's the makeup light. And then it got a kickstand at the back of it so it could just sit up. So we have that. We have some setting spray in here. We have your traveling brushes in here. I also added another little cute sponge in here, and then it's breathable. Because if you keep a sponge just in something just with no air, that's a lot of bacteria, you guys. Have your chapstick. You have your mascara. So on this side right here, you guys, when you do mascara and you mess up the top of your lid, using this you want. Also, it comes out eyebrows and eyelashes. You have your traveling brushes. We'll open that in a minute. We'll have your makeup wipes. Well, it's not wipes, makeup towels. You have your clay mask, your mud mask. You have your rolling ice. You make it hot or cold for your eye massager. You have your collagen serum in here. I put different serum in here. That's the surprise for you guys. You might get collagen. You might get acid. You might get any type of skincare in there from me. You have your little chips, your chapsticks here. And you have your pencil sharpener here for your eyebrow pencil. And you have the bag. So open up this mirror for me. That bag is beautiful. There you go. Also, you have, like I said, the traveling brushes with this big mirror. This big compact mirror. So, hey, it's going for 30 bucks. Let me know if you're interested. Inbox me. And we'll get your order out. Free shipping. All right, don't forget, no grandma, glamour.